Hey, this is Matthew with ARAC Roofing Forward. I'm over here at 307 Burdock Trace with Mr. Stevens, attempting to repair a wind crease shingle right here. So I'm gonna pull this shingle out. Gotta pull these out above it in order to replace this shingle. So I'm gonna do that now. Set you down here. See if I can get you balance. All right, I'll pull this shingle out here. We got a nail here, 2 nails here. Yeah. There's your wind crease shingle. All right, now we got to put it back in. Lifting these shingles just enough to get a hammer in without hitting this shingle. And you can already see it's creasing here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. You can see it's actually creasing the shingle. Lots of grains being lost, so this one's already pretty bad, and I haven't even lifted it but one time. Let's see. Gotta lift it enough where I can get the nail flush. up close here so you can see the grains being lost here. It's just cracking all over. Same thing here. You can see the grains turning loose. But so unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to repair this shingle just due to the creasing and the brittleness of this shingle. So it's unrepairable. So in order to repair these, remove these hood vents and replace those, you're just gonna cause a lot more damage to this roof than before. So again, this is Matthew with ARAC Roof at Ford. Thanks for watching.